Greetings. Nothing will be denied if you ask this way. You see, you've been instructed to ask and it will be given. To seek and you will find. But many people are going about asking the wrong way. For example, how could you be speaking audibly and looking outwardly to a Lord, a God, and a Savior to answer your prayers when true prayer is actually desire and meditation? And if God is a spirit and you have to get connected to God in spirit and in truth, then it makes sense that you close the door and go in to your closet, into your secret place where your Father dwells in secret. Well, the good news is that your Father is your awareness, your consciousness, your power to create, your power to shape and mold. And the door is speaking of your eyes. It's the gateway to the soul. So if you would learn to close your eyes and shut out this physical three-dimensional wall and go into the non-physical wall, whereby you communicate by the speed of thought, because everything is actually based on energy, vibration, and frequency, and your true essence is that you are mass of energy. In other words, you are spirit, and you are having a human experience. So if you go in and you appropriate that which you desire, using your mental powers, I can guarantee you that it will be materialized in this physical three-dimensional world, because everything in this world, it was first a thought, it was first an idea, it was first imagined, it was first in someone's mind. So everything is actually mental, okay? And so everything that we depend upon in this world, like for example, the medium of exchange in this world is money. But money is actually energy. Money was first a thought, it was first an idea, it was first imagined in someone's mind. And they're printing it every day. Okay, yet it is hard to come by for some people because they do not understand how the mind works. They do not understand that money is a flowing, living currency. Okay, and that is why you have to have the right mentality towards money and the other things in this world so that you can live your life sumptuously. Okay? So as long as you learn to embrace the silence, as long as you learn to practice daily meditation to calm your mind down, okay, and focus your energy inwardly, as long as you realize that you cannot go into the spiritual world except through being silent and listening to your breathing, it is very important that you understand inhalation and exhalation, what it's really all about. You see, the air that we breathe is not just something common. It's the life-giving force. And you have to use that life-giving force to activate the potential that lies dormant within you. That is why you have to practice meditation daily. You have to practice to go within, okay, and live from inside out, not from outside in, but instead live from inside out. So sort yourself every day and be honest with yourself, be real with yourself. And whatsoever you desire in this world, act it out in the present tense like you already have it, and get into the feeling that your wish is already fulfilled, and live from the wish fulfilled, live from the end. And as long as you practice that daily, I guarantee you that your life will change for the better. Okay? Money, whatsoever you desire, all these things will flow to you easily because you have come in union or in alignment with your true self, your higher self, and also come in alignment with the rest of nature. For example, look at nature. The sun always shines upon nature, and nature always brings forth bountifully. Okay, so if your life is not bringing forth bountifully because you are out of alignment with nature, well, once as you always looking outwardly, you'll be out of alignment. That is why I'm saying to you, you have to look inwardly. So there's no Lord or God or some Savior on the outside. No one coming to save you. You have to learn to save yourself. And how are you going to do that? You have to go within. Okay? So, if you should take anything away from what I'm saying that true prayer is desire and meditation. So you have a desire, write down your desire. And make it plain. Be definite about it. And don't tarry. You must wait for it. Because you're walking with certain law and order. And I'm actually quoting the book of Mind Science right there for you, which is the Bible. I'm quoting Habakkuk chapter 2. Okay? You see, everything is governed by law and order. And that is why when you pray with the mindset that you and God are one, and that God is not someone you worship, but is a power that you use, and you use this power to achieve your every desire, because it's your true essence, it's who you are. Okay? So my brother and my sisters, I'm saying to you, get connected with your God self, so you would pray the right way to get results. Because the way is within, the truth is within, and the life is within. So in short, I'm saying everything that you desire in this world is within you. That is why you should never go on your knees and speak to some outside Lord or God or Savior. That's a brainwash. Go within yourself and know that you are the director and the producer. You are also the author of your life, because it's like a movie, and you are printing, you are acting out the script that you would have written, and you're doing it through mental movie. Okay, so act out your life however you would like to see yourself in this three-dimensional world, and that's how you pray. Okay, so when religious leaders tell you you must practice visualization, you must practice meditation, you must believe in the law of attraction, it is because they are competing for your mind to keep you a clientele in their business arena. You see, politics, religion, and the educational system have been set up to keep us from discovering our true self, our higher self, our God self. Okay? And when you escape those systems and you realize that everything is within you, you would be more empowered. You would be more certain about yourself. And you would learn more to love yourself and believe in yourself and embrace yourself. So my brother and my sister, there's only one true way to pray, and that is going within. That's why Psalms 4:4 tells you, you must commune with your own heart upon your bed and go into what? The stillness. Okay, go into the place of silence. That is why even Job chapter 33 verses 14 to 16 tells you how to go to bed also. Okay? And you're told not to be like the hypocrites. They like to be seen and heard. But you get into the secret place. You find a quiet place. You get in isolation and go into meditation. Practice positive self-talk. Practice mindful breathing. And you come to realize that everything that is written in the Bible, it all has to do with your anatomy. It has to do with your physiology, your biology, and your psychology. It's all about you. But of course, you have to focus your energy inwardly and not outwardly. So when you really pray this way, you're going to get results. Nothing can stop you. Don't make them fool you by using fear, guilt, shame, judgment, and condemnation on your subconscious mind to stop you from discovering your genius self. They don't want you to discover your genius self. They want you to always be dependent upon them. You know, what they want to always give you a fish instead of teach you how to fish. But I'm teaching you how to fish. Okay, so my brother and my sisters, stop talking to some outside God and find your God self, your true self, your higher self by looking within. Okay? So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense, if it really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And if you haven't gotten my books as yet, the links are all down below. You can learn how to turn water into wine. You can learn your mood is your fortune. You can learn how to open the floodgates of abundance. You can learn how to meditate, eradicate poverty, and much, much more. Also, I have my journals there that you can journal your life whichever way you want it to be. But the choice is yours. Also, if you like to do a one-on-one with me, you can do a one-on-one with me on an app called Fatia. Or you can reach out to me directly by way of email and we can set up a one-on-one. So the choice is yours, either on Fatia or we can do it directly. Okay, where you just reach out to me and we organize it, okay? But the choice is yours. Also, if you'd like to become a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. But for those who are donating $20 or more, I have a course that's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to create your reality consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So my last encouragement to you, my brothers and my sisters, is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and definitely let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.